Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on marketing management. This is part first. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Many people want BMW, only a few are able to buy. This is an example of options are A. Need, B. Want, C. Demand, D. Status. Here, correct option is C. Demand. Question number 2. This is the act of obtaining a desired object from someone by offering something in return. Options are A. Marketing myopia, B. Selling, C. Exchange, D. Delivery. Correct option is C. Exchange. Question number 3. It's a combination of quality, service, and price. Options are A. Marketing triad, B. Customer value triad, C. Customer satisfaction triad, D. Service quality triad. Correct option is B. Customer value triad. Question number 4. This model is highly firm centric, where the firm believes that the competitive edge lies in its ability to innovate. Options are A. Conventional, B. Contemporary, C. Competitive, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Conventional. Number 5. Marketing is the activity set of dash and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and dash offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society. This is basically a definition. Now we need to fill in the gap. Options are A. Institutions satisfying, B. Organizations exchanging, C. Institutions exchanging, D. Organizations understanding. Correct option is C. Institutions exchanging. Question number 6 dash involves purchase from various sources and assembled at one place, involves creation and maintenance of the stock of goods purchased, and dash involves transfer of ownership of the goods. Options are selling and buying, B. Assembling and selling, C. Buying and assembling, D. Assembling and buying. Correct option is B. Assembling and selling. Question number 7. These are the form of human needs take as shaped by culture and individual personality. Options are A. Wants, B. Demands, C. Needs, D. Social needs. Correct option is D. Social need. 8. Want for a specific product backed by an ability to pay is called. Options are A. Demand, B. Need, C. Want, D. Customer. Correct option is A. Demand. Question number 9. The following is not a type of marketing concept. A. The production concept, B. The selling concept, C. The societal marketing concept, and D. The supplier concept. Here correct option is D. The supplier concept. Question number 10. Who is the father of modern marketing? Options are A. Peter Drucker, B. Philip Kotler, C. Lester Wunderman, D. Abraham Maslow. Here correct option is B. Philip Kotler. Question number 11. Marketing is a process which aims at dash. Options are A. Production, B. Profit making, C. The satisfaction of customer needs, D. Selling products. Correct option is C. The satisfaction of customer need. 12. The term marketing refers to A. Advertising, sales promotion, publicity and public relational activities. B. A new product needs ideas, developments, concepts and improvements. C. Sales planning, strategy and implementation. D. A philosophy that it stresses customer value and satisfaction. Correct option is D. A philosophy that stresses customer value and satisfaction. Question number 13. Marketing management is dash. Options are A. Developing marketing strategies to move the company forward, B. Managing the marketing process, C. Monitoring the profitability of the company's products and services, D. The art and science of choosing target markets and keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Here correct option is D, that is the kind of definition almost the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Question number 14. The most formal definition of marketing is dash a an organizational function and a set of process for creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and that benefit the organization. B. Improving quality of life for consumers. C. Meeting needs profitability. B. D. In fact, marketing is an organizational function includes the 4 P's. Here, most elaborative, comparatively correct option here is A. An organizational function and a set of process of for creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and that benefits the organization. Question number 15. Marketers often use the term dash to cover various groupings of customers. A. Buying power. B. Demographic segment. C. Market. D. People. Correct option is C. Market. Question number 16. Today, marketing must be understood in a new sense that can be characterized as A. Get the first with the most. B. Management of youth demand. C. Satisfying customer needs. D. Telling and selling. Here, correct option is C. Satisfying customer needs. 70. Marketing is both an art and a science. There is a constant tension between the formulated side of marketing and the dash side. A. Behavior. B. Creative. C. Management. D. Selling. Correct option is C. Management. 18. Dash is the major objective of any marketing activity in the world because marketing completes with the real sale of goods and services bought or acquired by the seller or when intermediary has been affected. Options are A. Marketing. B. Selling. C. Assembling. D. Transportation. Correct option is B. Selling. Question 19. It upholds the importance of the customer in the whole value creation process. The dart highlights this aspect in a vivid manner. Options are A. Contemporary model. B. Conventional model. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Contemporary model. 20. Select an appropriate definition of want. A. Consumer needs. B. Needs backed by buying power. C. Needs direct to the product. D. Basic human requirements. Correct option here is C. Needs directed to the product. Question number 21. Definition of marketing given by Philip Kotler. Options are A. Marketing is a process by which companies create value for customers and build strong customer relationships in order to capture value from customers in return. B. Marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. C. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. D. None of the above. Here, correct option is A. Marketing is the process by which companies create value for customers and build a strong customer relationship in order to capture value from customers in return. 22. Which of the following statements is the most correct statement? A. The delivery of goods and services from producers to their ultimate consumers or users includes many different activities. These different activities are known as marketing. Statement 2. Marketing is to ensure that the product is easily and effectively moved from the point of production to the target market and ensures that the product can be easily accessed by customers. C. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society. D. Marketing is the last step in the chain of commerce where a buyer exchanges cash for a seller's goods or service or the activity of trying to bring this about. Here correct option is C. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society. Question number 23. The key customer markets consist of A. Government markets, B. Business markets, C. Consumer markets, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 24. This company is well known for technology innovation, great value, and act as a game changer. A. Nokia, B. Apple, C. HTC, D. Samsung. Correct option is B. Apple. 25. In the history of marketing, when did the production period end? A. In the late 1800, B. in the early 1900, C. in the early 1920s, D. after the end of Second World War. Here correct option is C. in the early 1920s. 26. Which of the following is a key to build lasting relationships with consumers? A. Price of the product, B. Need recognition, C. Customer satisfaction, D. Quality of product. Correct option is C. Customer satisfaction. 27. Which of the following is not an exchange function of marketing? A. Product planning development, B. Buying function, C. After sales service, D. Selling function. Correct option is C. After sales service. 28. If the focus is on social and ethical concerns in marketing is characteristic of the dash period. A. Production, B. Sales, C. Marketing, D. Societal marketing. Correct option is D. Societal marketing. 29. The key term in the American Marketing Association's definition of marketing is A. Activity, B. Sales, C. Products, D. Value. Correct option is D. Value. Question number 30. Dash is a cluster of complementary products and services that are closely related in the minds of consumers but is spread across a diverse set of industries. A. Market space, B. Marketplace, C. Meta market, D. Market pace. Correct option is C. Meta market. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.